What is the previous value calculation in Tableau, and how can you use it? In this case, I have sum of sales by month, and I'm showing a running total below it. The running total is built using previous value. Let's take a look at how to build this in Tableau. I've built a line chart using sum of sales on rows and month of order date on columns. Create a calculated field. We're going to write a running sum using previous value. Let's call this previous value 1. And we're going to drag sum of sales into the calculated field plus previous value of 1. Click apply and drag that into the view. This gives me a running sum of sales. If I made this a multiply instead of plus, you would get a running multiplication of sum of sales. And that's previous value in Tableau.